you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have October's Ipsy Plus. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my Ipsy Plus just arrived and I'm kind of confused because the Ultimate shipped first, like last week sometime, and that one is still in Kentucky, and this one just shipped the other day and now it's here. The other one went DHL and it's taking so long. So I don't have my Ultimate. My Glam bag just shipped like today, so I'm gonna just do these separately because I can't wait to see what's in here. They did change the box. That's the first thing that I noticed. I was like, that's not my normal Ipsy box. But now they're going with like a different image, I guess. So it says the Ipsy like that, and it says, "To you from me." And when you open it, it says "Discover yourself now." Instead of "Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you," it says "Discover yourself." And that is what's inside. So let's go ahead and dive in here and see. Okay, so right on top is this Dr. Brandt Micro Dermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator Exfoliant Anti-Age. There's that. This is $79. Holy moly. It's like a trip to the derm in a jar because it was developed by one. A mixture of lactic acid and microcrystals slow away the day to heal brighter, tighter skin. A smooth blend of jojoba, chamomile, and aloe vera help reduce redness. Wow, look at that glow. Tip, gently, keyword here, gently, massage a dime-sized amount into your skin for 1 to 2 minutes, avoiding sensitive areas. Rinse well and pat dry. This exfoliant is powerful, so only use it 1 to 2 times per week. So it's good that there's a little disclaimer on there. And again, there's that guy. That's crazy, $79, and this whole box is only $25. Okay, so then next we have is this Beauteque. I don't know how to say this brand. This is ultraviolet, an all-over starlighter powder stick. So maybe it's a highlighter. It valued at $28. Designed, how do I get this open? Designed for life on the go. This creates a multi-purpose crayon. How cute, it looks like a crayon. That travels with ease. Twist up the powder highlighter, swipe onto cheeks, eyes, and body for an external ultraviolet glow. Going bold, swipe it straight from the tube. This is a very unique packaging. Ooh, and there's little stars on there. And I guess you just twist it, up kind of like balm. Yeah, so you twist it up, but that's as high as it goes. So you can twist it up a little, but there's not like a whole lot in there. And this is $18? $18. Let's do a little light here. I see it on my mirror. It's like, it's blinging and it looks purple on my skin. Yeah, it looks purple on my skin, but that's pretty. I like that, and it's really cute and convenient in this little tiny container, and it looks like a crayon. That is so cute. I've never seen anything like that before. Okay, so next we have is a power gloss, and there's looks like 2 liquid lips in here. This is valued at $32. Jules Smith Beauty Power Gloss Duo in Namesake, All Day, and Serene Queen. So here are the 2 colors out of the package. So there's the 2 colors swatched. The lighter pink is like a very light pink, almost like a lip balm. But we have those, look at that darker color. Let me put that darker color on. Let's see what it looks like. It's like an orangish color. I don't know if I really like that. but that's what it is. I don't really know if I like that, but that's what it is. So next we have is a Love Craft Beauty bronzer palette. This is valued at $30, and I don't do much with bronzers, and I'm really confused on why I even have a bronzer, to be quite honest, because in my profile, I specifically put in there that the very last, like the least likely, I don't like bronzers or anything like that. That is a color. I'm not gonna remove the plastic film on top because I'm gonna put this in a future giveaway. So I'm not gonna touch it, swatch it, or anything like that. I'm gonna just stick this in a future giveaway so one of you guys can enjoy, because I'm not a bronzer. I have a few bronzers. If I feel like playing with something, I have those to play with. I don't need any more. So that will go to one of you guys. And then the item that I did choose, which was this, is the Betty Boop eyeshadow palette. And I actually did buy the entire collection because on the Ipsy store, I think it's normally like $170 and it's on sale for like $39.99 for the entire Betty Boop collection. I bought two. One of them is gonna go in a giveaway that's gonna be coming very, very soon, and the other one is for me. So once that comes, it's been about a week now with the label created with no shipping movement. So as soon as I get that, I will do an unboxing and show you the entire collection. But here is the eyeshadow palette. So this actually looks really, really pretty. I'm not going to swatch or do anything with this just because I'm going to show the entire collection when I get it. So I'm just gonna leave this video short and sweet. But if you wanna see what that's going to look like swatched and actually tried on, then stay tuned for that video. The last item in here is the bag. Now this is one thing that they just started back doing. When they first brought in the Plus, there was a bag, and they did a bag every 3 months. So I received my very first one, had a bag in it, and then I think it was like 2 months later, I got another bag instead of 3 months. I don't know, it was really weird. And then they stopped putting bags in them. There's no more bags, but it was still the same price. Now they're going back to putting a bag in here, and you can choose one of the items. And again, I chose the palette, but then I went and bought the whole entire collection. So, you know, but here is the bag, and I'm really excited about that because this looks very, very cute. And you have Betty Boop right about here, and the back is like this, like where it goes up and down, but it's all the same color. So it's not gonna like change colors or anything, but that's what it looks like. It has the little red heart for the zipper, and it actually does not say Ipsy. Normally their zippers say Ipsy. The inside is all red, and it says Betty Boop Ipsy on the tag. But that is a really, really cute bag. I'm really excited about the bag and the entire Betty Boop collection. So if you guys are interested in seeing the entire collection, I think there's lips, there's a cheek palette, there's this eye palette, there's a brush. I have the entire collection coming. So stay tuned for that, you guys. That will be coming soon. So that is everything that came in this month's October's box. What do you think? I like the new design on the box. I'm loving this bag. The palette is beautiful. I can't wait to swatch it and actually do a try on for you guys, but that's when the entire collection comes in. This little highlighter crayon thing is so cute, and it is definitely compact and travel friendly like it says. I just think it's really pretty. It puts a nice subtle purplish, lavenderish glow that I can see closer than you can see. Then you have this $79 Dr. Brandt product that I will try out, but only use this one to 2 times a week because it is very strong. So I'll probably only use this once a week. I like to do like once a week, I do like a hair mask and something kind of like this. So I'll put this in my once a week routine. And then this palette will go to one of you guys. And then I have 2 lip products. One's very, very light, and one is just like an orangish type color that I'm not too sure about. I'm not really fond of the color, but that's what I got. So you guys, comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this plus box? Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly appreciate it. Now, if you do not know about Ipsy Plus, that's this one, is $25 a month. You get to choose one item now, and you get the bag now. It's free shipping, and you get $120 or more in 5 full-size products. Now, Ipsy Glam bag went up to $12 a month with free shipping. You now get to choose one of your items in that one as well. And that one you get 5, sample to deluxe, sometimes full size if it's like a lip product or a mascara, that kind of thing. And then now the new ultimate, which I'm still waiting on. I don't know what's taking it so long, but that one is $50 with free shipping. The box is worth $250 or more in value. You get to choose one of your items. You do get a bag in that one as well, but that one has 12 beauty products. You'll have the deluxe bag, then you have 8 full-size products and 4 deluxe size samples. So you'll have like 8 products of like this Ipsy, and then you'll have like 4 products of like what would be in the bag. So I'm really excited to get that. Now, if you are interested to know what all the options are from this Ipsy Plus, here you go. Okay, you guys, so that is all of the different options that they would have chose from to send everybody's boxes out this month. Let me know, did you get any of these items that I got? Are we box twins? Let me know. And you know that drill. Until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.